مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We're still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Jim, Lam, and, can you guess? Sin. Jalasa, yajlisu, julus. Jalasa, yajlisu, julus. And that is verb to sit. Jalasa, yajlisu, julus. Conjugation, please. Jalasa, he sat. Jalasat, she sat. Jalasa, two men sat. Jalasata, two women sat. Jalasu, three or more men sat. Jalasna, three or more women sat. Second person. Jalasta, you male singular sat. Jalasti, you singular female sat. Jalastuma, both of you, whether you are both men or women, sat. It's the same. Jalastuma. Jalastum, three or more of you men sat. Jalastunna, three or more of you women sat. First person, speaker, singular. Jalastu, I sat. And it's a gender neutral. A man and a woman will say the same thing. Jalastu, I sat. Plural, we, whether two of us or millions of us, regardless of gender. We say, Jalasna, we sat. Okay. Present tense. Yajlisu, he sits. Tajlisu, she sits. Yajlisani, they, meaning two men, sit. Tajlisani, two women sit. Yajlisuna, three or more men sit. Yajlisna, three or more women sit. Second person. Tajlisu, you male singular, sit. Tajlisina, you female singular, sit. Tajlisani, both of you, whether you are both men or women, sit. Tajlisuna, three or more of you men, sit. Tajlisna, three or more of you women, sit. First person, speaker, singular. Ajlisu, I sit. A man and a woman will say the same thing. Ajlisu, I sit. Plural, whether we are two or million, regardless of gender. We say najlisu, we sit. Najlisu. Okay. Shall we do imperative? Yes, why not? Commanding a man, singular, we say, Ejlis, sit down. Ejlis, sit down. And commanding a singular woman, we say, Ejlisi, sit. And commanding two people, regardless of gender, we say, Ejlisa, both of you sit down. Ejlisa. And if you're commanding three or more men, you say, Ejlisu, sit down. You need to be firm with them. Ijlisu, sit down. And commanding 3 or more women, we say ijlisna, sit down. Here, conjugation, done. Now, let's illustrate this using some random and short sentences, shall we? Okay, we can start by saying هل يمكن أن أجلس معكم هنا؟ هل يمكن أن أجلس معكم هنا؟ May I sit with you here? هل يمكن? That means, would it be possible? And to أجلس, to sit down, معكم, with you, هنا. هل يمكن أن أجلس معكم هنا? And we can say بكل سرور, بكل سرور, with pleasure, with pleasure. تعال واجلس معنا. تعال واجلس معنا. Come and sit down with us. And if you're speaking to a woman, you say تعالي واجلسي معنا. تعالي واجلسي معنا. Come and sit down with us. What else can we get from Jim, Lam, and Sin? The noun julus. Julus is sitting. We can also get jalsa. So jalsa, which is can be sitting or session, if you like, jalsa. So we can say, for instance, الاجتماع الآن في جلسة مغلقة. الاجتماع الآن في جلسة مغلقة. That means the meeting is now in a closed session. الاجتماع, that's the meeting. الآن, now. في جلسة, in a session. مغلقة, closed. So الاجتماع الآن في جلسة مغلقة. Okay. What else can we get? We can get جالس. جالس, that's the active participle, اسم فاعل, the one who is sitting. So we can say من ذلك الرجل الجالس هناك? من ذلك الرجل الجالس هناك? Who is that gentleman sitting over there? من ذلك الرجل الجالس هناك? Who is that man sitting over there? If you're referring to women, you say من تلك المرأة الجالسة هناك? من تلك المرأة الجالسة هناك? Who is that woman sitting over there? Okay. What else can we get? We can get from 3, from jalasa yajlisu, and that will be jalasa yujalisu. That means to be in the company of someone. Jalasa yujalisu mujalasatan. For instance, we can say لا تجالس من لا حياء له. لا تجالس من لا حياء له. Do not be in the company of someone who has no shame. لا تجالس. لا تجالس من لا حياء له. لا تجالس من لا حياء له. Don't be in the company of someone who has no shame. They take you the wrong way. Keep away from them. Okay, what else can we have? So, apart from Majlis al-Amn, which is the Security Council, you can have Majlis al-Wuzara. Majlis al-Wuzara, and that will be Council of Ministers, and meaning cabinet. Majlis al-Wuzara. Another one is Majlis al-Shuyukh. Majlis al-Shuyukh, and that means Senate. For instance, in America, you say Majlis al-Shuyukh, and that is Senate. Here we are, a very short one, and a very useful root letter as well. Jim, Lam, and Sin. Jalasa, Yajlisu, Julus. Out of that, we have Majlis, we have Jalsa, we have Julus, we have Jalasa, Mujalasatan. So all these things, please learn this vocabulary for me, and you'll get there. One new vocabulary or two per day, we go a long way. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and send the link to those who might be interested, please. And please, if you can, make a donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. We're trying to build an educational resource center for the benefit of children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, in southwestern Nigeria. And thank you so much for many of you who have done so. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. And shakarallahu lakum. Jazakumullahu khairan. Adkhalallahu surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama ila liqa fi amanillah.